I've got to do a load of dishes. They're stacking up in the dishwasher. So
I
all
got up and
mine.
did dishes this morning. I was very proud of myself. And I put a
Uh,
pot of soup on to cook. So I heard that go ding, ding, ding a little while ago. So it's like,
yeah.
yes,
Oh, what are you doing that in a slow cooker or a Thermomix? What
pressure cooker.
pressure cooker? Okay, electric one.
Yeah, electric pressure cooker,
Okay,
electric multi cooker, one that does
okay,
yeah, just one of those
everything.
Philips 8-in-1
Eight in
electric
one.
thing.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah. You're supposed to be able to bake and all sorts. I just use it for mostly for pressure cooking.
Yeah.
I was thinking, oh, I should try and bake in this, but I
Mm.
haven't. What I love about the pressure cooker is you pop it on, you put the lid on, and you forget about it.
Walk away.
Yeah, and then you just walk away. I just love all in
Mm.
ones.
They've got
So
some sort of pressure release, obviously.
it'll just come like, yeah, it can just come to the release naturally.
Yeah.
One of them, like I've got two pressure cookers because when I was living with mum, I didn't like her pressure cooker, and my pressure cooker was in storage back here in
Good.
Ballarat. So, and mum's pressure cooker drove me nuts. So I
Yeah.
went on and ordered a smaller one,
Mm.
which was just great, and got that delivered when I was at mum's place. So now I've got two, and I use them
Mm.
both a lot.
Okay.
Like when I do the soups and things, I do it in the bigger one just because it's a bigger
Mm.
amount. But the small one, just love. Um, and that
Veggie.
one has got a setting. So my little one has got a setting that you can switch off the warming because generally, once they cook, they sort of just stay on and keep it a
Oh,
bit
yeah.
warm. And then eventually they'll come off the pressure, which the Philips one's like that.
Mm.
But the little one that I've got, it's just a little instant pot. It's great. You just switch the warming off, so it'll come off the
Mm.
pressure naturally a bit faster, and you don't get the stuff on the
Mm.
bottom if you turn it.
Yeah.
So it depends what you're cooking. Like with the
Mm.
soup, it doesn't ever burn on the bottom.
Yeah.
But
Mm.
if you're doing something a bit more casserole, if there's not enough liquid in there and you've left it on warming for
Yeah,
too long,
no.
you can come
No.
and it can stick to the bottom a bit. Yeah.
Yeah. Mm.
So it depends what you're cooking. But anyway,
Mm.
there's this lady I found on YouTube. I said to
Mm.
you, these processes that I had in my mind. She
Yes.
opens my mind to, oh, I don't have to do it that way. But
Oh,
she's got some really good all-in-one recipes. Yeah, I thought,
mm.
yes, I'm going to try some of those in the little pressure cooker. Mm.
Oh, good. That's funny. I remember Mum's, she had the old, well, it was probably aluminium, I guess. Don't know.
Pressure
You
cooker
know,
would have been,
big old metal one where you put the
yeah,
lid on and then, yeah, they blow
yeah.
up sometimes.
Yeah, Mum used to have one of those. I still think that there's a really place for the ones that just go on a gas stove top, like because you
Mm.
can put it if you've got those portable gas,
Oh,
what do you
yeah.
call them, stove top. You know how you get them on the side of a barbecue
Mm.
sometimes, or
Yeah.
yeah, so you can use them then,
Mm.
and you don't need electricity. So I think they're really
Mm.
good. I actually been because I haven't been recently, but I had considered getting a little one to go in with my car camping stuff
Yeah.
because I just love pressure cooker.
Mm.
It's just fast and easy.
Yeah.
Mm.
Because I don't cook veggies anymore. Yeah. So,
Well, I used to, my favourite thing that I used to do in it was corned beef.
oh, yes. We've got it's called a dream pot. So it's a
Oh, yeah,
thermos.
yeah. Yeah, yeah, they're
So
fantastic.
you boil it for 20 minutes.
Yep,
So get it up to
yep,
boiling for 20 minutes in the thing, whack it in the dream
yep.
pot, come back 8 hours and it's cooked.
Yeah,
Mm,
yeah, they're fantastic.
mm. But the thing is,
They're
we
really
only
good.
use it for corned beef. So it's an awfully
Oh, okay.
expensive item to use for one product. But they
Yeah.
had double saucepans and you could cook
Yep.
your rice in one and your, yeah,
Dumplings.
yeah, all sorts of things. But
Butterscotch. butterscotch dumplings in
Oh
one. My
my
sister had one,
goodness.
and she'd do a casserole thing in the bottom, and then on the top she'd do this delicious caramel
Yeah,
butterscotch dumplings for dessert.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
I'd be the size of a house if I started doing that. Cooked every day and eaten every day.
Yeah.
So,
No, they're really good. I actually considered a while back that they would be really good for car camping and whatnot
mm,
too. Because
yeah,
you just get up in the morning, boil whatever it is you want to do, whether you're doing a casserole or your rice or whatever it
mm,
is, and then put it in your pot.
mm.
And then when you arrive at your destination at tea time, it would be ready.
Yep.
The reason they don't work well for me is because you've got to pre-plan it.
Mm.
Like you've got to get up and decide, this is what I want for tea tonight.
All right. Okay. So you don't decide what you want for tea till the morning.
I don't decide what I want for tea till tea time.
Okay. I just realised I have another process, which is planning the next day's meals every day.
Mm,
So I'm not planning
mm,
today's, I'm planning tomorrow's.
mm. Well, I pre-plan to the point that oh no, okay, I want my, tin of tomatoes, my tins of chickpeas, my whatever, my potatoes, my carrots, whatever it is.
Mm,
And so I make sure I've got all of those ingredients in the house. But
mm.
then as far as what am I going to eat? Oh, well, today I know I'm going to have soup because I got
Yeah.
up and cooked soup. But yeah, I'm just not very good at the whole pre-planning thing for the
Okay.
food for some reason. It's not something. I think it's because I just don't like the whole process of organising food.
Yeah. And we're to be clear for others, we're on very different diets. You're vegetarian
Yep.
mostly, and I'm mostly carnivore with a whole heap of sugar added in when I shouldn't.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
or at least gluten free, because we've got some gluten free schnitzels at the moment, so I get some crunch. Um, so yeah, I when I used to shop a long time ago for a fortnight at one place, I would go to the meat section, work out the cheapest cuts, map out 14 meals, and then shop for the other stuff.
I did that when I had kids as well. So it's
Mm,
interesting, isn't it, that for me it's changed completely
yeah.
now that I'm by myself. But when I
Mm,
was with the children, I'd go through because of course back then you actually had the magazines that came. I mean, you still
mm,
might get them, but I put no junk mail on my thing, so I don't
yep.
see them. I'd go through and I'd work out which supermarket do I need to go to get what
Mm,
for however many meals. Well, because you had to fit in your
yeah.
budget. You wouldn't
Yes,
have enough money
exactly.
otherwise. So,
Yeah.
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 And so I'd work out, yeah, what breakfast, lunch, tea, and snacks. What do we need?
Yes.
Mm,
Yeah. Yeah. Well, see, I still do it to a degree. Like we stack the freezer with, and that's the other thing. We have to freeze because we're eating meat. We have to have it in the freezer. So
mm,
it's a matter of you
mm.
have to get it out the night before so that it's defrosted enough.
Yes.
Yeah. So,
Yeah, that's true.
mm,
Whereas
yeah.
for me, that's changed. I don't have to
Yep.
pre-think that stuff anymore because
Yeah.
most of the things, well, even yeah, even veggies like you can eat them all raw if you want
Mm,
to. Not that
exactly. Yeah.
you know, I'm not a raw vegetarian by any means. I don't
Yeah.
mind raw some stuff raw, but
Mm,
yeah.
mm,
So yeah, that's probably partly yeah, because I'm just by myself. I don't
mm,
need to
yeah.
pre-think stuff and I don't like
Mm,
doing it. So I leave
yeah.
it to the very last second. And that's part of my problem.